Welcome in linear equation part 5 class 10 mathematics. In this part we want to solve 2-3 problems based on solutions of a system of linear equations. So here one question is already written for you. Find the value, maybe values, maybe one value or more than one, for values of k, for which the system of equation kx minus y equal to 2, 6x minus 2y equal to 3 has a unique solution. Second, no solution. Third, is there a value of k for which the system has infinitely many solutions? 3 questions are included here. For saving time, question is already written. This is a system of equation given. What is system of equation? Kx minus y equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y equal to 3. This system of equation will have a unique solution. For that, what should be k? First question. Second is, the system of equation will have no solution. For that, what will be k? Now third question is there a value of k for which the system of equation has infinitely many solutions? क्या k का कोई ऐसा वैल्यू हो सकता है जिससे ये सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन का इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन हो? ये 3 क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूडेड है इसमें. सो लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. Number 1 is unique solution. Just a minute, I want to discuss the things once again. If a1x plus b1y equal to c1 or plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2, or this constant may be the other side, are 2 linear equations. This linear equation will have unique solution. Unique solution when? Unique solution then its graph will gives you a straight line and its graph will also gives you a straight line, and they must intersect at a point. Graph of a linear equation always gives you a straight line. If its graph and its graph, there will be 2 straight lines. If they intersect at a point, then there will be a unique solution, and coordinate of this point will be the solution. Okay. In this case, a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Thus a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. In this case, both the equation will intersect at a point. For no solution, when there will be no solution? In case of no solution, both the line should come in this way, parallel. दोनों line parallel होना चाहिए. In that case, there will be no solution. Okay, there is no common point and hence no solution. And this is possible only when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Ratio of the coefficient of x will be equal to ratio of the coefficient of y but not equal to ratio of the constant term. In that case, both the line will come parallel and there will be no solution. And for infinite solution, infinite solution, one line must be on the other line. एक लाइन के ऊपर दूसरा लाइन होना चाहिए. मीन्स लाइन मस्ट बी कोइंसिडेंट. एक लाइन के ऊपर दूसरा लाइन कॉन्साइड कर जाना चाहिए. In that case, there will be infinitely many solutions. Means all the points of the line are solution. Then only infinitely many solutions. And in this case, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 and this should be equal to c1 by c2. Then only both the line will coincide. and there will be infinitely many solution. So you must remember, for unique solution a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. For no solution a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. And for infinitely many solution a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Based on these results, this type of questions will be solved. Now let us see the problem. Your problem is a system of linear equation given. You can write once, given system, two lines are together called a system of equation. So here your system of equation given kx minus y equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y equal to 3. This is what is given system of equation. Now number 1, for unique solution, for unique solution a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. What is a1 by a2 here? This is a1 by a2. ये इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए b1 by b2 का, मीन्स माइनस 1 by माइनस 2 का. दिस इज b1 minus 1, b2 minus 2. Here minus minus can be taken as plus. So here you can write as a cross multiplication. 6 will come here. 6 by 2, 3. So k should not be equal to 3. This system of equation will have a unique solution. For that this k should not be 3. k का वैल्यू 3 नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब 3 को छोड़कर k का कोई भी वैल्यू ले लीजिए, ये सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा. तो आंसर होगा k नॉट इक्वल टू 3, मीन्स एनी नंबर अदर देन 3. दिस इज व्हाट इज योर आंसर. सेकंड, फॉर नो सॉल्यूशन, फॉर नो सॉल्यूशन, नो सॉल्यूशन के लिए क्या होता है? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is this, should be equal to b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 2 means 1 by 2, and ये दोनों equal होगा but not equal to c1 by c2 means 2 by 3. If you bring 2 and 3 this side, minus 2 and here it will be minus 3. Minus 2 by minus 3 will be same as 2 by 3. So this constant may be this side or this side, no problem. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This should be equal, k by 6 को equal होना है 1 by 2 का. This implies 2k equal to 6 means k equal to 3 तो होना है. ओके, k अगर 3 हो गया, यहाँ 3 कर दिए तो 3 by 6 1 by 2, ये दोनों तो इक्वल हो गया, बट 1 by 2 नॉट इक्वल टू 2 by 3 है तो ठीक ही है. 1 by 2 और 2 by 3 तो इक्वल नहीं है ना, तो ये तो हमेशा ये दोनों इक्वल होगा, लेकिन ये तो नॉट इक्वल रहेगा ही, तो 1 by 2 है. सो k का वैल्यू हम लोग कितना ले सकते हैं? 3. यहाँ 3 ले लीजिए ना, हाफ हाफ, ये दोनों इक्वल हुआ, इसका इक्वल नहीं है, तो नो सोल्यूशन होगा. सो फॉर k इक्वल टू 3 दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन विल हैव नो सोल्यूशन इज द आंसर. Okay, now third, for infinite solution, infinite solution के लिए क्या होता है? a1 by a2, ये है a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 and should be equal to c1 by c2. ये तीनों बराबर होना चाहिए. ये कभी संभव है क्या? k का कोई वैल्यू लेने से ये तीनों बराबर हो सकता है क्या? ये चलिए k का ऐसा वैल्यू ले लें कि ये दोनों तो इक्वल हो जाएगा, बट दिस विल नेवर बी इक्वल टू दिस. आप k का कुछ भी वैल्यू ले लीजिए, ये तीनों इक्वल कभी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये दोनों तो नंबर है, ये तो इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकता. सो यू कांट टेक एनी वैल्यू ऑफ k. so that this equal to this equal to this. ऐसा कोई वैल्यू आप नहीं ले सकते. So question was, is there a value of k for which the system has infinite many solution? Answer will be no. Answer will be no. Means we cannot take any value of k is the answer. Understood the question? Let us see few more problem of similar type. Let me rough the question. I hope you have understand. This type of questions are important for exam. Let us see few more problem of similar type. Find the value of P and Q. One question is, find the value of P and Q so that the system what is your system? 2x plus 3y equal to 9. 2x plus 3y equal to 9. And p plus qx. P plus qx plus 2p minus q. Y equal to 3 p plus q plus 1. This is has infinite solution. Has infinite solution. This is what is your question. Your question is, find the value of P and Q so that this system, this is a system of equation. One equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 9 and second is p plus q x plus 2p minus q y equal to 3p plus q plus 1 has infinitely many solutions. So we know for infinite solution के लिए a1 by a2, this is your a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, this is your b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. ये तीनों equal होना चाहिए, then the equation will have infinitely many solution. 3 ये पूरा है ना, 3 p plus q plus 1 ये तीनों इक्वल होना चाहिए, तब होगा इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन. सो ये दोनों भी इक्वल ले सकते हैं. वी कैन टेक 2 by p plus q इक्वल टू 3 by 2p minus q. From here let us simplify it. What is coming? Cross multiplication, 4p minus 2q equal to 3p plus 3q. Now 4p minus 3p, p minus 2q minus 3q minus 5q equal to 0, or you can say p equal to 5q is a relation between p and q. Okay. Then after this is equal to this will be equal to this also. For infinitely many solution, here you can write 3. Also take this equal to this. So this will multiply with 2. 2p plus 2q plus 2, and this will multiply with 3p plus 3q. So finally 2p minus 3p, 2q minus 3q plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. For infinite solution ये भी होना चाहिए, ये भी होना चाहिए, दोनों ही होना चाहिए. तो उसमें p और q का वैल्यू क्या होगा? By solving these two equation we find the value of p and q. From 1 p equal to 5q, substitute here. From 1 and 2 minus p, in place of p we write 5q minus q plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 5q minus q minus 6q, 2 write this side. So what will be q? Minus 2 by minus 6, minus minus plus 1 by 3. So q should be 1 by 3. Now substitute the value of q here and find p, and therefore your p will be, p is 5q, q is 1 by 3, so 5q, so it will be 5 by 3. यहाँ बैठा दीजिए ना, q का वैल्यू 1 by 3 लिख दीजिए. So p equal to 5 by 3, q equal to 1 by 3. Let me check the answer. Yes, p is 5 by 3, q is 1 by 3. Answer is correct. So in this way we can solve this type of problem. Let us see one more problem. दो चार और प्रॉब्लम आपको बनाना पड़ेगा हर टाइप का. You go on writing. Let me write one more question. For what value of alpha? For what value of alpha the system क्या है आपका सिस्टम? अल्फा एक्स प्लस 3y, अल्फा एक्स प्लस 3y इक्वल टू अल्फा माइनस 3. दूसरा 12x प्लस अल्फा वाई, 12x प्लस अल्फा वाई इक्वल टू अल्फा. ये है आपका सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन. विल हैव नो सॉल्यूशन, will have no solution. This is what is your question. Question is, for what value of alpha the system alpha x plus 3y equal to alpha minus 3, 12x plus alpha y equal to alpha will have no solution. इस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन का कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. उसके लिए अल्फा का क्या वैल्यू होना चाहिए, दैट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. सो सिंपली यू नो फॉर नो सोल्यूशन, for no solution a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 alpha by 12, b1 by b2 3 by alpha, c1 by c2 alpha minus 3 by alpha. ये दोनों इक्वल होगा लेकिन इसके इक्वल नहीं होगा. तो उसके लिए अल्फा का क्या वैल्यू होना चाहिए ये आपको निकालना है. We can take these two equal. So alpha square equal to 36. So alpha will be, square is there, so it is plus minus root 36. So it is plus minus 6. So two values of alpha will come, plus and minus 6. Now for alpha equal to 6, 6 by 12, 1 by 2, here 6, 1/2 बोथ आर इक्वल। हियर जरा यहाँ चेक कर लीजिए, अल्फा के जगह पर 6 रखिए, 1/2, ये भी हो गया 1/2, और ये कितना हो गया यहाँ 6, 6 माइनस 3, 3/6, ओके इट इज। फॉर अल्फा इक्वल टू 6, 6 minus 3, 3/6, 1/2. So for alpha equal to 6, all the 3 will be equal. So for alpha equal to 3, this system will have no solution. माइनस 6 में क्या होगा देखिए तो बैठा के, -6/12, -1/2. Here -6, 3/6, this is also equal to -1/2. Okay, and here -6, -3, -6, -3, -9, and here it is -6. Okay, so how much this is? Minus minus plus, so it is not equal. ये -half है, but not equal to 9/6, ये तो प्लस हो गया, तो फिर इक्वल तो हो ही नहीं सकता। So अल्फा इक्वल टू -6 we can't take. अल्फा इक्वल टू -6 के लिए ये तीनों इक्वल नहीं होगा। For अल्फा इक्वल टू 6 it is okay. So therefore alpha equal to 6 is the answer. So in this way we can find. Let us see one more. एक और सवाल अब देख लीजिए, तब ये चैप्टर का एप्लीकेशन प्रॉब्लम बच जाएगा, है ना। लीनियर इक्वेशन एप्लीकेशन प्रॉब्लम इज लेफ्ट. So one more problem you must see. Write down the question. Find the value of A. Find the value of A for which the system of equation your system of equation is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and a minus 1x plus a plus 2y equal to 3a. 3a has infinite solution. Question is find the value of a. ये जो a है इसमें इसका वैल्यू निकालना. For which the system of equation, ये जो system of equation है इसका infinite solution होगा. So for infinite solution, a1 by a2 means here 2 by a minus 1, ये है आपका a1 by a2. Ratio of the coefficient of x should be equal to b1 by b2 means ratio of the coefficient of y, and is both should be equal to c1 by c2 ratio of the constant term. All these three ratios should be same, then only the system of equation will have infinitely many solutions. So if these three ratios are same, what will be the value of a? That you have to calculate. 7 3a. Okay, it is this equal to this equal to this, so we can take this equal to this. This implies we can write 2 by a minus 1 equal to 3 by a plus 2. Also we can write 2 by a minus 1 equal to, we can write 7 by 3a. Is not it? This is also, ये बराबर ये भी लिख सकते हैं. From here you will get 2a plus 4 equal to 3a minus 3. So 2a minus 3a minus a, and minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. So from here a is minus minus cancel 7, and let us see here. Here it is 6a equal to 7a minus 7. 6a minus 7a minus a equal to minus 7. So from here also a is coming 7. So a equal to 7 is the answer. Therefore a equal to 7 is the answer. दोनों से a 7 ही आ रहा है. Let me check the answer. Answer देख लेते कितना है इसका. Yes, its answer is 7. So if you take a equal to 7, the system of equation will have infinite solution. I hope you can solve this type of problems in linear equations. In the next video, means in part 6, we solve some application problems based on linear equations. So in this video, this much. Thank you for watching.